Alright guys, so I got the high lifter spring installed. There's not really any special way it's supposed to go. I just had it so I could read it properly. The text right there. And then I greased the sleeve and part of where it was sliding a little bit, rubbing. Took her for a ride, and she sits probably no joke, they say 1 inch online. Maybe my other one was just real tired, but she's sitting like 2 inches higher than she was before. Because now if you look, the rack's slightly tilted down a little bit. So when you load it, it levels out. And now the front is tilted down. So you got a little bit of what they call race sag. So before the front was maxed out at all times. Now it's got a little sag in the front, a little sag in the back. So it's evened out pretty good. Especially with the OGO bag with some cargo in it. Should be great out on trails, which is great. It was a little hard to do with the automotive spring compressor, but it's possible. We got her in there. So yeah, greased everything up, and she's riding good, running good. I will be doing a video when it starts to warm up on how to clean your ATV so you can get it as close as to showroom condition. I mean, some people care about having them clean, some others, I personally like it real clean. I mean, in the winter it's not worth it because it gets dirty often so much, but I will do a video on that. And like I said, it's definitely worth it getting that spring, and I'd recommend go with Dennis Kirk or Rocky Mountain, something like that. Don't go off eBay to save $5. It's not worth it. They give you a return slip, so if you have an issue, send it right back. And yeah, so looking pretty good. And I want you guys to comment down below what upgrades you guys have on your 420 and what's your favorite of them, and just let me know. So if you like this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.